Welcome back, y'all. Welcome to the tour of my 1997 Ford E150 Econoline van. Welcome to the van tour, y'all. So let me show you what I have in my van. The front of the van is not, nothing really fancy has been done to it. I have this radio here that was put in when I got it, but I had to unhook it so it doesn't work, and my backup camera doesn't work, so I had to fix that. But I put this charger, this 2-prong charger in so that I could power my dash cam and my phone. Then I have a little speaker up here since I don't have a radio speaker, so this is what I use. I just play my phone and then I turn the speaker on. And this is my cup holder and my sanitizer up here. And then this console, I have a light on. And then this console, I keep my odds and ends like Gorilla Tape, painter's tape, extra selfie holder. This little dash waffle maker is in there. Some cleaning supplies are in here. So that's what I keep in there. So let's move on to this seat over here. I keep my cooler here, and usually my shower bag is parked up here, and then I have a basket down there with just junk, odds and ends in there that I might need. So let's go to the back. Okay, so let's look at the inside of the van. So this is the door that my son fixed for me. So everything is working on here now. I haven't done anything different to it. All the windows have a shade that goes up and down, and I put my window covers in, and then I close the shade. So this door right here, I don't open it because I have this dresser here, and it's bungee corded to the windowsill, so I can't open this door to show you what's on this, but it really is just cleaning supplies back there. Okay. All right, so inside my van, I have a lot going on like every van dweller does. I have this seat cover here. Well, it's not a seat cover, it's a seat storage. So I usually keep my umbrella in here, trash bags, some bug spray, screwdriver, things like that. This comes down and it turns into a desk, and it has little pockets. And then here I just keep some odds and ends. I have an extra light that I can put up, and this is a motion sensor light, but that's why I keep it down here. And here is my 6 gallons of fresh water, spring water, and here is my trash can. And then this water is like potable water that I use to wash dishes and things. So now up here I have my little monkey. It's a tissue holder. You just pull the tissues out his butt and you got a tissue. And this is just my little fan that I showed you guys before that I got at Walmart. And this is my dresser, so I can watch TV or whatever on my tablet that I have on this holder right here, and it just holds it so I can see it. And I'll show you what's behind the dresser. So if I take this down, back here I keep my oatmeal, my French press, and I keep granola in this one. It's empty right now. And then this little basket has seasonings. And then these back here, they all have something different in them, like packets of rice. I have one that has snacks. I have one that has more seasonings and oil. and things like that. And they are back here. Show right there. Okay. Okay, and my cubbies at the top, I keep different things in different ones. This one just has some more of my shades and my reading glasses up there. This one has vitamins and spices up here, and then more vitamins and spices up here. These two that are in front of the TV, beside the TV, I'm going to take the stuff out of there, and I'm going to take this TV out. Now on the opposite side, I just keep my extra cloths that I clean with, and rags for the van, to clean the van with. This one has more glasses. I'm a glass fanatic. And this one has, whoops, a whole bunch of stuff that I got from Temu up here. Okay, and now this one in the back has shoes. Okay, and in my dresser, I have these bungee cords. These are thick kind. I got these from Ollie's, if anybody's wondering. But I keep different things in different drawers. So this drawer is kind of like electronics. This drawer is kind of like first aid stuff. And then this drawer is kind of like stuff for my face, and my wipes and things like that are in here. And I'll just keep them closed with that bungee. This drawer, and this drawer is clothing. And I do have them in some bags that you pack for your suitcase. I have those in there. So it's towels and clothes in here. This one is which one I keep my appliances in. So I have my bowl, my bowl in here, plates in here, my frying pan, and my small appliances usually are in here. But I'm at my daughter's right now, so they're at her house. And these containers I got from Dollar Tree. So they're like $5 a piece. And they have a little lid, and this is what I keep extra cups. I have some little containers, my laundry bag, a little fan, and some body wipes that I got from Dollar Tree, spray, and my electronics kits with all my wires I keep in here. So this is just extra cords and wires that are normally in here. I have a smaller one that I have with me at my daughter's house. And this one here, I have my air fryer, some more air freshener, this cute little lunchbox that I got from Temu. I have my face towels that I use when I go to the gym and when I wash my face in here. These are these little tabs like that, and you put them under water and they expand. So I keep those in there, and more cups and things like that down there. And back here I keep my cutting board back here. Okay, now I'm sitting on my convertible sofa bed, and so when I sleep in here, I really don't put the bed down. Rarely, very rarely. But if I did, there is a button back here, and it would just go down. But I'm not going to put it all the way down. So I just have these blankets on top of my comforter and everything back there. And then here in this window over here, I keep my fire extinguisher. back here. And these are just some containers that go in my refrigerator when I want to put fresh vegetables in there. This window has some sound deadening insulation in it. It's just a piece that I cut out in there. And then here's my egg holder. I don't have anything in my fridge right now, so I just keep this back here like that. Now this wire that you just saw will go over here, so up here is where my outlets are, and this wire will go over here to my Blue Eddy, and I would just plug it in. I would just plug this wire into my Blue Eddy, and then I'm not gonna plug it, and then I can put anything on my counter that I need to sit up there and work. And that's how I cook with my appliances. Right now this little fan is hooked into my Blue Eddy, and it has like 4 speeds, and has the lights that change colors. And I got this one up from Ollie's. Okay. I just want to show them that it plugs up in there. Okay, and this is my cooktop stove that I use to cook when I'm in the van or if I'm out the van. And it just comes in this little case. And this is a dual burner, meaning that I can use butane or I can use propane, and that just stays in there. Show you my little dresser. So it's bungee corded together, and I have it on this board because I have the step back here, and that little leg will go down, so that's why I keep it there. And here I keep aluminum foil, this reusable Ziploc bags, some storage, my little hot pot, my little hot logic, and my utensils. And then in this drawer I keep my agave. These are condiment packets that I keep in here when I get them from the store. And I have some dish towels, pot holders, plates, and plastic cutlery, and this little spice container that I haven't filled up yet. And underneath is just some more food things, coffee, honey, things like that. Okay, and my window covers stay back here. And I'm going to show you, this is just some black foam board that I cut out from dollar store. And this one goes in this window right here. And it fits in there pretty snug. So that's what I use. And then I just put the shades down. And I do all my windows that way. Now here is the back of what everybody calls the garage. This is my garage. I just keep this old sheet here so this doesn't bang and rattle against the chair. And this door opens too. And so here, as you can see, I keep this is a table that matches this chair. Take this one. And here is my back. So this is just a storage rack that I keep just odds and ends in there. It's a little bit of food in there, but mainly clothes and things like that. These are my clothes that I keep up here. So I have extra clothes, jackets, a coat. This is my outdoor rug that I keep in here. Here are some of these. I keep tea in here, some sheets and stuff, towels, things like that. Here I move my refrigerator back here, so I won't use up the space in the front. So I just set it on here for now, but I'm going to get my son to build me a little shelf. And then here's my food. Oops. Here's my food back here. So if I want to do it now, I would have to take this out to get to my food. But I always keep food up front somewhere that I'm using right now. And that's how I keep that. But here's my refrigerator. And this is a whole hem refrigerator. And it has a rack inside. And you can make it a freezer or a fridge. And on this side, I keep a little portable heater. And underneath the heater is my tent that I brought and I haven't put up yet. And this bag right here is a planner bag. It has pins and stickers and washi tape and stuff. And then this just has some other odds and ends in there. Whoops. So, hey, it's editing, Marlena. This is the back of my van before I took out my toilet. So I don't use the toilet that often, so I took it out so I could give myself space and then add my refrigerator back here. So on the inside, I have more room to move around. So that's the tour, you guys. I'm so glad that you came along and hopefully you watched the whole tour. There will be some changes coming. Oh, I forgot to show you my curtains. Hold on. Guys, I forgot to show you my blackout curtains, which are important. So these are my blackout curtains. And I just take them down when I need some privacy. I just take my monkey down. And I'm going to have to move my fan. And let me show you how I fasten these. So these, I made these little Velcro for. And so there's a piece here. And I just take this and hook it right on the Velcro. And the same with this one. And that keeps out any light from the front. So when I'm back here, it's just dark. So good. Here, let me show. And these are my lights that I have. They change. Maybe you can see the curtain better. So that's my van tour, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And like I said, I do have some redecorating that I want to do to the van. And so when I do that, I'm going to bring you along with me to redecorate it. So we'll do it together. But for now, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Peace. My air fryer's in here.
Wait, one more.
Shucks.
Oh, read.
Ready? 3.